Systems operation.
Approaching destination in a quarter mile on the left side. You have arrived at your destination on the left side. 000 Main Street.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
Hey, man.
What I'd like you to do...
In 600 feet, turn right on Engineering Road in Vail. Turn Find your phone.
I'll show you. Just come around here and go up, and then when you come out, when we load you, you'll be able to just take a right and go right out the gate.
Okay.
I'll show you.
Good night, YouTube. Good night, actually. Good night for me. I mean, yeah, I should have came on after I load this plane engine on, which I was told it was gonna be plane engine stands, but I realized that the plane engine, I don't know. From the other day, I just keep transporting plane engine. I mean, I guess I'm the engine guy, but yeah. I'm currently heading back into Canada. I'm actually at the border right now waiting on paperwork. I don't know what's going on with the late sending off my paperwork since lately for my engine for border crossing. Normally I would get it so quick, you know what I mean, and heading across, now I have to park and wait. But besides that, yeah, everything went well, you know, in terms of picking up, you know, my return load and heading back into Canada. The trip is good, very short, not too long, not too much of a work. One Kyle go and this engine coming back, not a lot of strap down. That is like easy run, you know, it's one of those things. So I just want to say thanks to everyone, you know, and I'm a manageable young man, so I like to thank people that take time out to, you know, they could be doing something else, but they click on the playlist or they click play on my channel and choose to watch this video. So I just want to tell you guys thanks for watching, you know. There's not much to say really, because this trip was a very short trip. I'm just heading back to make this delivery tonight. It was a one day pick, one day drop, same day drop I should say. Not too bad, but I have some really important, well, I was gonna say really important stuff, but I was gonna say I have good some really good content coming out really soon. You guys don't want to miss it, you know what I mean? So if you're not subscribed already, please feel free and subscribe so that, you know, you don't miss anything. And please remember to press the bell icon for all my subscribers that already subscribed, because I'm getting complaint that some people are not seeing my videos. So if you're not seeing my videos, you need to press that bell icon so that you could get notification or notify when I upload a video and release it, you know. So stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in, and it's Troy Stars, and have a great day. And thank you. Troy Stars.
You must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this, but I have seen this all before. Never gonna let you close to me, even though you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. So I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. And every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbye. I'm way too good at goodbye. I know you're thinking I'm heartless. I know you're thinking I'm cold. I'm just protecting my innocence. I'm just protecting my soul. I'm never gonna let you close to me, even when you mean the most to me. Every time I open up it hurts. Oh, I'm never gonna get too close to you, even when I mean the most to you, in case you go and leave me in the dirt. And every time you hurt me, the less that I cry. And every time you leave me, the quicker these tears dry. Every time you walk out, the less I love you. Baby, we don't stand a chance. It's sad, but it's true. I'm way too good at goodbyes. I'm way too good at goodbyes.
YouTube TriStars, reached my destination, and I dropped the engine off, you know what I mean? So this is it, the end of the trip. Thanks for tuning in, and I made it. They took it off in the night, so that was good. So thanks for tuning in again. As I'm gonna say, TriStars, big up everybody, and please remember to subscribe.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.